All right, we're just kicking the tires in the pit. Checked the switch. Last time I was here in maybe December, I think right around Christmas when I was heading down east, I installed this part here. Had kind of had the idea to do this and paint, but I had left this section and this section just under here. That's what the crew decided at the time until they were going to paint it, right? I had some coworkers come install the switch. So it's just tied in actually with your pit switch. So even if you turn your pit switch back on but you forget to remove this, you're gonna be safe. And also you got a little reminder that it's in there, so you don't get out and leave it and have this thing crash into the elevator. It's all looking pretty good, right? A little bit more cleaning, and that's it for this one. This is the Hydro Elite controller. It is a very nice piece of equipment. Hopefully they don't have to use that anytime soon. This is doing the Nova Scotia to PEI run currently instead of up in Quebec. Clean install, right? That's the European in it. Very nice piece of equipment. We haven't done, like we did Cat 5s here a little while ago. It's a little weird that they used the 46 weight here. I'll have to look into that. But everything about this is nice. Just doing a quarterly inspection, a bit of testing, and that's it. Okay. She's hot up here. Top of the hoistway. There's your governor. There's the overspeed switch, right? Got a nice little sweet spot there for it. Your limit. With a nice cam there. A plastic shiv for the ropes. Again, I always get blown away at how many ropes there are, but that's a massive cylinder too. You can push this cab right through the elevator. Got your encoder with your floor, I'm not sure what you want to call that, right? That wasn't found here, that was mine. This thing here, I had to clean off quite a bit of these here this trip. And also there is like a back one here too you got to think of, right? There's two wheels, two money bumps. I'll see if I can't put a picture on there. There's your hatch. That's about it. It is so hot in this. I've been looking for the oh, even that much feels so good. I can't forget. I forgot to bring on this time again the fluid film for the rope diameter, like a rope data tag. I looked down below and everything, but I can't seem to find it. And this, here's your maintenance switch for your door off controls. I couldn't get that switch to work on the port elevator. Yeah, I'm getting very close. I gotta go spend a couple minutes on, I think I noticed this last time, I don't like how that governor cable is. It just catches my eye weird and it bugs me. I also don't, I gotta get a smaller rope gauge for that. That's pretty much her though. I love working on these ships, they're nice. And then a quick trip back to my parents' place and then all the way back to Ontario.